Welcome back. Locals in Mane Kotigaon are worried over the rickety state of a culvert. They have asked the concerned authorities to repair the culvert for safe vehicular traffic. They claim that the culvert can collapse any time. This is the only route to go to Kotigaon, and people have to pass over this culvert. Due to rainfall, the culvert is in a rickety state. The commuters and people are worried as it can collapse any time. This may create inconvenience to the people. Furthermore, heavy water flow has weakened the culvert.
मणे खोतिगांव या वाठारांत हो एक सांकव आसा. ह्या सांकवाच्यो दोनूय बाजू कोसळिल्ल्यान हांगाच्यान येरादारी करपी लोकांक बरेच त्रास जाता. हांगाच्यान भरपूर येरादारी जाता, पूण ह्यो अशी एक गाडी समज आयली आनी दुसरी गाडी ताका सायड दिवपाक गेल्यार एक मोठो अनर्थ जावपाक शकता. संबंधीत खात्यान हाचेर लक्ष दिवन बेगोबेग हे सारकी करपाची मागणी हांगच्या थळाव्या लोकां कडल्यान जाता. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर काणकोणच्यान बाबेश बोरकर.
And now news from sports. The Bajaj Allianz talent hunt has kicked off at 3 venues in Goa. The Bedalpati Centre so far has received a good response with 85 footballers on day 1. The Poriat ground at Kalangut too saw a good turnout, but the Panji Centre witnessed a poor turnout. Day 2 was marginally better. With just 1 day to go, GFA official Anub Abraham has given a loud call to all footballers below the age of 16 to make the most of this opportunity.
Today is day 2 of the Bajaj Allianz Search for Talent Hunt, and I have with me the technical officer of GFA, Anup. Anup, what is the scene like so far? How many centers has it kicked off in, and what's the response been like?
Yeah, we began stage 2 yesterday, and in the south we've got it running at Bethalbati. In the north we've got it running in Panjim at the Kampal grounds, and then in the Poriat ground in Baddes as well. So the response has been quite interesting in a way. In Bethalbati, about 85 kids turned up, and that was a really heartening number. Poriat as well saw good numbers. We had about 65 kids turning up. However, in Panjim, the number was a bit low. We're looking at maybe about 25-30 children that turned up. So, I'd like that number to increase, because we've got it. We've got another day where we got these screenings taking place. Yeah, I'd like to simply say that it's interesting. It's very good that a sponsor, a corporate comes in to back up a sport like football, and there's nothing like investing in youth football. So I would really take this opportunity to call out to parents, kids, schools. If your child is between 14 to 16, please send them over to the centers either at Bethalbati, Panjim in Kampal, or Poriat after 3 o'clock PM, where our coaches, the GFA selected coaches, are there, who will be screening your kids. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and make the best that you can because you love the game.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Panji.
Day 3 of the $1 Million Arm Challenge saw a decent response. In Ponda Taluka, students of 8 high schools, 3 higher secondaries and 1 college tried out their arm. Ponda's Paresh Naik and Nikhil Gaude qualified for the finale. Over at Vidya Prabodhini Education Complex, over 200 students gave their pint, but none managed to make the cut.
The $1 Million Arm Challenge visited 8 schools, 3 high secondaries and 1 college in Ponda constituency, while also visiting the Vidya Prabodhini complex at Porvori. In Ponda Taluka, Paresh Naik clocked 77 miles and Nikhil Gaude clocked 74 miles. The duo will join the other 6 qualifiers from Goa, who will participate at the finale in Mumbai. 203 students tried their luck at the Vidya Prabodhini Educational Complex. No student was able to hit the cutout point of 70 miles per hour. A higher secondary student, Parshuram, was the closest to the cut with 69 miles per hour on the speed gun.
आज ये इवेंट में इस स्कूल से कितने स्टूडेंट्स आपको दिखे जो आप ले गए आगे के स्टेजेस में?
यहाँ तो हम लोग को ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल नहीं मिला, लेकिन वी अचीव्ड अ क्वाइट गुड स्पीड, दैट इज 68, 69. तो हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि और ज़्यादा पिचिंग हो और ज़्यादा स्पीड मिले तो आगे बढ़े. वैसे हम लोग को गोवा से 6 मिले हैं अब तक, विच आर गोइंग टू द फिनाले, विच आर कमिंग टू मुंबई.
विलास बाब तुमकां अशें दिसना की तुमच्या स्कुलासून किंवा तुमच्या हाय सेकंडरीचो टॅलंट मेळोंक ना मातशें वायट कशें दिसता तुमकां काय यू एक्सपेक्टेड
वायट दिसतात कारण आतांच्या भुरग्यां भितर स्पेशली शोल्डर पावर एक्झॉस्टीव फोर्स हो कमी दिसता कारण पयलींच्या काळान कशें आसतालें किंवा आमचे सुद्दां स्टेजीचेर भरपूर अश्यो एक्टिविटीज नॅचरल एक्टिविटी आसताल्यो म्हणजे आमी पाडप आनी कितें करप मागीर पक्ष्यांचेर फातर मारप हें सगळें आसतालें तें आतां खंय आमचे सिटीन पडलेल्या कारणान सगळे बिल्डिंगेंचेच रान आसा थंय ही एक्टिविटी जायना.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.